Hello and welcome to STEAM Executive Success Brain Module 3. Um, we, we are already aware of that when we discover the power by knowing your intentions, there are multiple skills needed to create a success brain. The last module, 2, primarily it focused on dealing with limiting beliefs. And once you have gained the ability to move beyond your limiting beliefs, it's now important to know what you are moving forward. This lesson will provide the information you need to find and declare your intentions. This is the next step in moving rapidly toward success. Although we are all trying to make it through life, it is interesting to contemplate how conscious we are about what we are doing and the direction we are headed. Reflecting on what you are going to do next helps you plan for and accomplish your goals. So, Sean, can you can you take this lesson to a more details and
Take it to the next level.
next level? Yeah.
Sure. So when you intend to do something, you're much more likely to do it.
Yes.
So do you know your intentions? Here are some reasons why you might want to figure yours out today.
Yes.
Number one, intentions are powerful. When you intend to do something, you begin to set up your time and situations so that you can make it happen.
Yes.
In essence, when you know your intentions, it brings you power that you cannot obtain by any other method. 2, your intentions keep your plans in the forefront of your mind. Whenever you're thinking about what you intend to do, you're reminded of your goals. If you intend to lose weight, for example, you'll catch yourself thinking about what you'll do today to lose weight, what you'll eat, and how you'll burn those extra calories. Your intentions set you on a path to excel because they are on your mind consistently. Number 3, you have short-term intentions and longer-term intentions. A short-term intention might be going to work every day and excelling in some small way. A longer-term intention might be doing your best to work consistently so that you can earn a promotion, or ensure you have both levels of intentions in place to keep you progressing in a positive direction. Fourthly, you're in control.
Yes.
When it comes to having intentions, it's up to you. It's up to you to decide what you want in life and what you'll do to achieve it. A wonderful thing about intention is that you make a conscious decision to accomplish something. You might reach your goal that day, week, month, or sometime later during your lifetime. Intentions are a fascinating paradox because you control having intentions and you control your intentions in a sense. So your intentions also drive your actions. They control your actions. Ultimately, you'll prosper because of them. Number 5, having intentions gives you confidence. When you intend to do something, you're optimistic because you know deep inside that you'll do it. As a result, you become quite confident in your quest for the good life. If you have a plan and you're going for it, your intentions bring self-assurance to galvanize your efforts to live your dreams with passion. Number 6, others may view you as a role model. We're all looking for someone to look up to receive guidance from, and to set a clear, positive example for us. Your intentions say a lot about you and enable you to be the one that others look up to. As a role model, you're more likely to rise to the occasion and continue setting up powerful intentions in your life to take you where you hope to go. Everybody wins when you know your intentions. Your intentions bring you great power over your future. Mahesh.
Thanks, Sean. That was a very interesting and very systematic step by step, like a roadmap that how you can use the power of intentions towards achieving your goal, whether it's a short term or a long term. So you will live a life you truly want when you know what you are going to do with it. Your intentions provide powerful guidelines, which you explain the process, bring you the confidence, and spark your motivation to live your best life each day. Living your best life each day is dependent on your habits, and when with effective sets of habits, nearly anything is possible. Habits are the topic of our next lesson. So get started on the tips for these lessons. Create one long-term intention. Create 2 to 3 short-term intentions that support that long-term intentions, and take actions today on one of your short-term intentions and do one thing that moves you forward. For example, you might have the long-term intentions of finding a more lucrative job. So one of your short-term intentions might be to call your previous bosses or the co-workers for any leads or advice. So definitely there are some extra activities also available to work on additional, and we'll see you in the next lesson.